Greetings, beloved friends. I extend a warm welcome to my channel. Today, we embark on a culinary journey into crafting a delectable chicken croissant. Inside these buttery croissant is filled with flavorsome chicken fillings. Irresistibly scrumptious, these treats are a year-round favorite. This savory marvel is a breakfast delight that will undoubtedly leave you craving for more. Simple to prepare yet utterly delicious, and suited for fan of curry seasoning. So without further ado, let's delve straight into the kitchen and get cooking. To prepare the butter, arrange on pre-cut parchment paper, or using a sturdy rolling pin to flatten and shape the butter until it reaches a pliable, thin consistency. In a bowl, combine milk, yeast, and egg, whisking vigorously until thoroughly blended. Gradually add flour, mixing well after each addition. If needed, incorporate a small amount of water to achieve the desired consistency. Flour your work surface and knead the dough until smooth. Incorporate the butter, kneading until evenly distributed. Transfer the dough to a bowl, cover, and freeze for several hours or overnight. In a pan, saute onions in hot oil until they begin to soften. Add spices and cook for a few minutes. Stir in shredded chicken and continue to cook until the flavors melt. Season with salt and pepper, then set aside to cool. Roll out the dough into a rectangle and create the butter layer. Encase the butter within the dough and fold it over. Repeat this process twice more, allowing the dough to rest in the refrigerator for 30 minutes after the third fold. Remove the dough from the fridge and cut into 2 parts, and lightly flour your work surface. Gently roll out the dough into a long strip measuring approximately 20 centimeters into 110 centimeters. Place a spoonful of the cooled chicken filling into the flat end of each triangle, then roll the dough according to the provided instructions to form croissants. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the croissants with beaten egg and bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until lightly browned and cooked through. Beloved friends, the chicken croissant I've prepared is both refreshing and bursting with flavor. I am grateful for your company today. I trust you found joy in crafting this delightful treat. If this culinary endeavor brought a smile to your face, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Your encouragement drives my passion for baking, and I am genuinely appreciative of each one of you. Stay tuned for another mouth-watering recipe coming your way soon. Until then, take care and stay safe. Happy baking!